Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, Hana Nobel Dr. Sutrisno, Saji MPD, from group 2, consisting of Siva, Nurul Aziza, dan Senuristi, and Nika. Will presentasi material about enhancing language skill in golden age children through English phonology. Next. Background and relevance. Mastering English in the era globalization has become an urgency, especially for children in the golden age with lifelong acquisition abilities. Research shows that children in the golden years can absorb language well, and English has become a global lingua franca in regard. Previous students suggest that early exposure to phonology can improve pronunciation, accuracy, and auditory discriminating abilities, which are information foundation for effective community and future academic success. The article aims to emphasize the importance of imposing English language skill in golden age within through phonology approach. The main focus of the article is on multi-cat approach in teaching English phonology children, which is expected to help competitive children develop skill to face globalization. Next, Ika.
Okay. And the main concept of the article discusses the importance of phonological awareness in learning English in early childhood or golden age. Phonology is considered an important foundation for improving language skills, especially in terms of vocabulary, reading, activities, early intervention, parental involvement, and the use of technology that support the learning process. And the method used in the article is a literature review. The study employs a literature review method to explore effective strategies for enhancing language skills in early childhood through English phonology. By analyzing recent research findings, the study provides insight into best practices that educators and parents can support language acquisition and development during the golden age. Next.
Okay, next. The next main content is the result finding. First, phonological awareness is very important and influential in the language development of early childhood. This means the children need to learn, recognize, and understand sound in the language, like being able to differentiate which words sound similar or to name syllables. For example, when a child knows that the words ball and book both start with the sound B. Next, providing phonological training or activities from an early age has a positive impact on language skills and prevents reading difficulties in the future. Next, technology helps phonology learning become interesting and effective. The use of technology like a learning application, interactive videos from YouTube, children's song or rhyme or educational games can make children more enthusiastic about learning sound in the language. So that process of learning phonology becomes more fun and the results are also more optimal. Number 4, the role of teachers and parents is very important in determining the success of children in developing phonological awareness. At home, parents play an important role in acquisition of phonology in simple ways like reading stories, singing children's songs together, or playing guessing game with the children. Meanwhile, teachers in school with phonological training are able to apply more effective teaching strategies and support language development. Next, Sociocultural factors such as family background, economic status, and language exposure influence a child's phonological development. Last finding, as explained before, is that teachers who receive professional training in phonology are able to implement more effective teaching strategies. For analysis based on this article highlights that early phonology awareness is essential for developing children's language and literacy skills, supported by interactive teaching, technology, parents, and attention to socio-cultural factors. It also addresses challenges like language diversity and learning disorder.
Okay. The advantage of the top of the article is the topic raised are very relevant to the needs of today's education, especially in developing English language skills in early childhood, who are in the golden age of language development. Adopting a Adopting a comprehensive approach by discussing various factors that influence phonology learning, such as the use of technology, the role of parents, teacher training, and social and cultural aspects. The use of modern technology as a means of learning phonology is an also added value that shows awareness of the development of the times and the need for interesting learning for children.
And for limitation from this article is a purely theoretical literature study without supporting empirical data or any field research results. So it does not provide strong or detailed direct practical references for implementation. The article also does not raise the local context, especially the implementation of English phonology learning for Indonesian children in real classroom settings or within the national curriculum framework. The discussion tends to be short and not in-depth, especially in providing concrete guidance for education practitioners, which limits its usability for daily teaching practice. In addition, the article does not include clear evaluation instruments and applicable phonology learning models, so it does not help out educators in practical implementation in the classroom. So this is basically particular in designing effective and contextually relevant lesson plans. Next. Last but not least, it's a conclusion. The development of language skills in early childhood, the golden age, can be significantly achieved through systematic and well-planned phonological awareness in English, which serves as a foundational skills for later literacy and language proficiency. So, phonological awareness, the ability to recognize and manipulate the sounds in words, is an important foundation for reading, writing, listening, and speaking skills. with early intervention through explicit, engaging, and age-appropriate phonological activities, consistent parental support, the strategic use of technology, and continuous high-quality teacher training. Children can effectively develop their reading, writing, speaking, and comprehension abilities in a balanced and integrated manner. A collaborative effort among educators, parents, and the community, supported by a culturally and linguistically rich learning environment, will establish a strong foundation for lifelong academic success and literacy, ensuring children are equipped with the essential language tools to thrive in both national and global contexts. And next, relevance. Relevance to Indonesian or global education is in a global context. English is an international language used in various fields, including education. Moreover, education in Indonesia determines English lessons in addition to Indonesians as part of the national curriculum, which indicates the importance of mastering English from an early age. Phonology is a key component in effectively mastering in the English language, which is essential for communication and interaction at the international level. Furthermore, mastering aspects of phonology such as pronunciation, intonation, and recognition of distinctive sounds in English is fundamental to good listening and speaking skills. In the era of globalization, strong English language skills, especially phonological awareness, provide a competitive advantage for young children in Indonesia as they prepare for the future. So this is the presentation of our group. If you have some question, please raise your hand and turn and turn on the microphone. Thank you. Yes, Salma.
Okay, hello guys. My name is Samada Triani. I will ask from the group too. The question is, how can English phonology help improve on children's language skill?
Okay, thank you, Salma, for the question.
Okay, Salma. English phonology. How can English phonology help improve children's language skill? English phonology can help improve children's language skill and early age because it introducing children to the basic sound in language in clear and fun way. By learning phonology, children become more sensitive to the sound, rhythms, and intonation in English. This helps them pronounce words correctly and understand uh, the differentiation in sound and improve their listening and speaking skill. When leaders are used to hearing and imitating the sound in English, they will find in as to remember vocabulary and understand language structure. Learning phonology is also often fake in song, games, and story, so that children and learn the language naturally while flying. In, in this way, children language skill develop, develop, develop gradually and enjoyable. Gimana Salma?
Yes, enough. Thank you, Sipa, for your answer.
Okay, that's all. That's step all profession presentation. Cukup sekian dan terima kasih. Kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.